You good? So our buddy Alex actually designed us a new logo and we're trying it out. Let us know what you think in the comments. We're gonna be doing things a little bit different here at Busco Beach. Mini Mayhem 2025. Instead of focusing on all the riding and everything, there's gonna be 100 of those videos. Everybody out here has a GoPro or a phone out. I figured I'm gonna start up a new little segment that I like to call, hey man, what am I looking at? Everything from the professionally done to the super janky, it's all cool here. That being said, let's get after it. So y'all might recognize this next guy. Hey man,
Yeah.
what am I looking at?
Safety third.
I love the name. I love the name.
Yeah. Put it together honestly in the last week.
All the best builds are done that way.
Literally just finished it last week. And you may recognize it from being the buddy bikes.
Yes.
There was the buddy bikes previously, but then I faced one the wrong direction.
So Chad had told me kind of about this, and I thought about it and I was like, man, this is either going to be really good or really bad. And this thing is a ball. We have been taking turns just spinning around on this thing. It's a weird kind of fun. It really is. It's also incredibly dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids.
That's it! Right there!
Perfect.
That's it! Yeah! Did we
So
get the double
good.
slide?
So good.
Did we get the double slide?
Yes, we're so good.
You've got to be the proper amount of stupid to get on this thing. But Chad, I appreciate it. This is so much fun, dude. You just started a YouTube channel.
I did. Chadbricated. I do this kind of stuff.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right, appreciate it.
All right.
What is going on here? Hey man,
Hey,
what am I looking at?
you're looking at American Sportworks carbide that has been converted from a GY6 150 to a CBR 250R crotch rocket motor.
What? This thing is wild. I have seen you ripping around on this. Of course it's dirty because it's Busco, but that's a CBR 250 engine shoehorned into the back of this thing. Running the stock fuel tank, I love that.
Yep, fuel injected.
Yeah.
Gotta keep the stock tank because of the pump.
Right?
She's come a long way.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely been a labor of love for sure.
Oh man, this is awesome. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. My YouTube channel is Go Karts and Stuff.
Go Karts and Stuff.
Go Karts and Stuff.
Y'all make sure you check that out because this thing is cool. I've seen him ripping around on it, and he actually has let me drive this before, and this thing's a riot. You've done a great job on it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
A three-wheeled motorcycle. This is cool. Are you the guy?
I am.
Hey man, what am I looking at?
It's a 1993 XJ600 Seika 2. I built a customer swing arm out of half of the original swing arm, and the other half is a Yamaha Warrior swing arm. The seam's right up there. So
Nice.
I kept the stock shock mounting location and everything.
It looks like a stock swing arm.
And I kept the standard motorcycle sprocket on it. Used the Warrior sprocket as basically a walker.
Oh, that's cool.
And everything lines up, everything works.
That's genius, man. And how does it ride?
It rides great. I was concerned initially that with the one wheel in the front, they would get real wobbly
Right.
going down the strip. But with the bar stabilizer on it, it's solid going down.
It just looks planted. I saw you going through the trails and stuff with it earlier, and I was
Yeah.
like, wow. I bet that guy was having a rough time, but he was just, this thing ate it like the whole time. I was impressed, dude. This is awesome.
It's a lot
I appreciate it, buddy.
Well, thank you.
Mud mower. I love it.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man, what am I looking at?
You're looking at a Murray mud mower. So I V-twin swapped it. It used to have a 14.5.
Big beefy boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Custom exhaust pipes.
Ooh.
Come out the back, straight piped. The bigger wheels and tires. Cruises through the mud. It's fully swapped. It's got 6 inch in the front, 6 inch in the back.
Nice.
Light bar. Killer difference at night.
Oh, yeah.
About it.
That's cool. He was actually nice enough to let me take this thing for a rip earlier, and this is so fast for a mower. Like, it's just fast in general. This thing surprisingly handles awesome. I could whip it anywhere I wanted. It sounds amazing when it's running. I mean, it's just so good. And it's actually really comfortable.
Oh yeah. No suspension out here, so it kind of sucks.
Well, yeah.
It's a lawnmower.
That just comes with the territory, though.
Oh yeah. Brake handle throttle.
He even used a bike brake handle as his throttle, and it works great. This thing's sick, man. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it.
I'll find out who this belongs to, but then I love this. That's just a full-on high-back seat on a vintage mini bike. Old Briggs Flat 5. This thing is awesome. Oh God, I just realized it's got a steering wheel on it too. Nice. Reverse Trikes. And the man behind it. Hey man, what am I looking at?
Got a 95 Kawasaki Vulcan is what I started with. It had no title. So I was like, what am I going to do with it? I was like, I need to be able to use it off-road. So I welded a Yamaha Bruin front end to it.
This is great.
I cut away the original forks and stem, the ATV frame on top of the motorcycle frame.
Oh, that's good.
So the rear end is all straight motorcycle. I hardly ever have to use anything higher than third gear out of 6 because at third gear you're doing 60 mile an hour. So
60 mile an hour on this.
Yes.
That sounds fun.
it's scary.
Oh, I bet.
It's an adrenaline rush.
I know I've seen this one getting built. This is cool. Yeah, walk me through this. This is awesome.
So I came from the north and I love snowmobiling. So I'm like, all right, I want to build something 4 wheels that kind of feels like a snowmobile and has a big comfy seat.
Right.
So that was that and wanting to use the big Harley muffler were 2 of my initial thoughts.
That is awesome. Just look at that massive muffler on this thing.
Yeah. So the front end is one smaller quad that I widened.
Okay.
And the rear end is your typical Tao 110 cc quad.
Okay.
Then I made the seat, and the seat has suspension. The frame is rigid in the back.
Oh wow. That is cool. I like that. It's simple and it works.
It does.
That's so good.
And then it's just a Honda GX200 with your stage 1 mod.
And it looks like all your body plastics are made out of a plastic drum.
Yes, this is a plastic drum. Yes.
That
absolutely.
is genius, man. I love this.
It's worked well. My nephew's ridden it the past 2 days for the most part.
I've seen it ripping around the trails, and this thing just goes anywhere. This is awesome. Also built this one. What is the front end off of this?
This one is a Bayou.
Okay, so a Bayou,
Bayou front end.
and then it's got a GY6 swing arm off of, I'm guessing, a
Not even
moped?
a swing arm. I only had the motor.
Oh,
I had
wow.
to build all this frame going down and make my own motor bounce.
I love this. And I've seen this thing zipping down the trails, and this loves to eat. I love
Yeah, it
this.
does pretty
This is
good.
so good, man.
It's
Cool.
just a 150. I got a Nibby carb on it. Let it open up just a little bit.
Oh, yeah, all the horsepower right there.
With all the zip ties to hold it together.
Hey, it's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Man, hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Brad,
What's up?
what am I looking at, man?
It's a big nasty, man. Production model frame.
Really? Is that a Vanguard?
It's a big Vanguard in there. That
Ooh-wee.
thing's got a motor plate that fits the Vanguard, the big block, and the small block.
Wow.
And it's all 095 DOM tubing.
You built this?
Yeah.
Heck
all
yeah,
American
man.
source steel. 095 and 120 wall DOM. Got massive bearings in it, conveyor belt bearings.
Sweet. Big old tires.
Check out the they got the 6-way adjustable rear suspension setup. for
Oh,
little
dang.
guys and big guys.
Heck yeah.
The front forks are fully adjustable, dual wheel disc brake. It's got the built-in jack shaft. So with that shared jack shaft and swing arm pivot, you end up with your chain tension never changes. This thing will rotate 360 degrees, and the chain stays the same. It doesn't change with the suspension. You got to run.
Oh, yeah.
Then when you put different motors in there, you just adjust your sprocket on that shaft.
I like it. Cool. Where can I get one of these?
BigNastyBikes.com.
Heck yeah, man.
Facebook group Big Nasty Mini Bikes. You can follow me, Butler Built Garage, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
Heck yeah. Aside from this, I want to talk about this.
The mailbox.
Yes.
Everybody loves the mailbox.
Old Posty, man. He let me zip around on this earlier. It is exactly what you would expect. It is fun, and it is sketchy, and it is weird, and it's cool, and I love stuff like this. So tell me, what exactly is going on as far as a motor
Inside
on this
it?
thing?
It's got a Honda GC 190, 6 horse in there. It's got a tank here with a fuel pump.
Nice.
And look at this. Just stand posty up. You can see the engineering. You got a hydraulic disc brake in this thing?
Oh, daggone. Hydraulic disc brake. It's a sturdy looking frame. Man,
It's fair. Pretty decent.
I mean, for a mailbox.
Yeah, for a mailbox. And dude, this mailbox, the history behind this mailbox, it's a 1918 mailbox.
Daggone.
So they were like delivering mail on horse and carriage with this thing.
That's awesome. So definitely make sure y'all check out Butler Built Garage. Brad, as always, I appreciate it, man. It's always good seeing you.
Always a great time.
Here's some honorable mentions. These are the machines that I didn't really get to speak to the owner about, but they're still cool regardless. Everything from racing mowers to custom go-karts to trikes to things I couldn't really figure out what they were, but they were still cool. Aside from the riding and getting to hang out with all your friends at camp, the machine show is one of the best and biggest parts of Mini Mayhem, and I highly suggest you check it out.